if your GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado or any of them that has a shifter that looks like this and the key won't come out of the ignition, don't spend hundreds of dollars with a new cylinder lock. That's not the problem. It's the shifter itself. The first time I did this, I spent a bunch of money getting the cylinder lock replaced, which didn't fix it. And then I done a lot of research and found out that there's a little teeny switch down inside here that activates the key and lets the key come out. That little teeny switch is the problem, and I had to tear this whole thing out just to get down in there to get to that switch. And I cleaned it all up and played with it until the switch started working free again. Put it all back together, and it lasted about a year. Well, now it's stuck again. And so I didn't want to tear this all apart again. It was a pain in the butt. So I decided I was going to get some so I decided to do it differently. And here in just a second, I'll show you the easy way, and it takes 30 minutes. 30 minutes and you're back on the road and the key comes in and out and works perfect. Instead of taking this whole thing out to get clear down into that switch, the first thing you need is a trim panel. You can use a screwdriver, but you're going to put marks and damage it. With the trim panel, it'll come right out. Now, I've already been into this before, and so mine pops out a little easier. You might have to fight yours a little more than this because of all the soda pop that stuck to it and glued it down, which is the problem, and why the key won't come out of the ignition is because of all the sappy stuff that came out of there. Now, there's a wire down here, and you can't get this out without taking the whole thing out. So this time I decided, since I'd already been in here once before, and like I said, this comes out pretty easy. Yours is probably going to be stuck with glue and nasty shit that you didn't realize was even down in there. But once you get that loose, just pull it up here, up and out of your way, and you'll see there's a red wire that comes off this shifter and goes down into the shifting mechanism. That wire goes to a little microswitch, and that microswitch is what sticks. So the first thing you need to do, and I've tried penetrating lube, I've tried brake cleaner, none of it works. Electrical contact cleaner. It's amazing. It'll clear it right up. So the first thing you want to do is take and put your key back in the ignition. Move the shifter back and spray where that wire goes down. This part right here is what's keeping the key from coming out. When you go into park and let go of that button, it releases a pin in here and allows you to turn the key off. That's what's sticking and why your key won't come out. It has nothing to do with that cylinder lock. It has to do with this little teeny switch down inside here. So use this and keep spraying and spraying. Shift it back and forth. But this button, the button you push to release it to be able to pull it back, that button is the culprit. And so you just keep playing with that. And as the more you play with it, and the more you sit there and listen, it's like every once in a while, when you pull it, you'll hear something click under the dash. That means it's starting to work. To begin with, to make it release, take your finger, hold the button as tight as you can, and just pop it. And you'll hear it click, and you'll be able to get the key out. If you're out somewheres where you don't have time to do all this, and you can't get the key out, that's the trick. Hold that button in as tight as you can and just slip your fingers off it. it'll snap and force that thing to release, and you can take the key out. But eventually even that won't work. So get some of this and spray it down in there and just keep playing with that button. And eventually, when you can do it every time, and it click, 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 at that point, you have fixed your problem, and it will work like butter. When you get to that point, put it all back together. And going back together is really simple. That's it. It's fixed. Voila! Every time. Don't even have to start it. Every time. It is just awesome. Whoops, got to turn the key on. Off. Out. Every time. And when you have the key on, you hear that little click. I don't know if you can hear it from the Tinkerbell going off here. I don't know if you can hear it. But when you hear that noise, that means every time you let go of it, the key comes out. If this saved you from replacing parts that you didn't need, that's why I made this video. If it helped you out, like and subscribe. Thanks, and bye for now.